Meaning of familiarize.
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 Familiarize. The word familiarize refers to the process of making someone become knowledgeable or accustomed to something, such as a new place, concept, or skill. The result of familiarizing can vary based on the context, but generally involves a person becoming more comfortable and confident with the previously unfamiliar subject. Familiarizing can lead to increased understanding, improved performance, and reduced anxiety or stress. It often involves exposure to the subject through education, practice, or experience, with the ultimate goal of achieving a level of familiarity that allows for skillful and efficient navigation within the subject matter.